INOVIVA sent me the slushie machine for my review, and I just tested it for the first time. It has made me the most beautiful and delicious frosé ever, which is really awesome. It's been sitting here for a while, but when it first came out, it was thick. But one of the things I want to try to figure out, so let's say we're having a party, I've made some slushies, because on this machine you actually have a max fill line. So when I put my 2 ingredients in here, I was just under that max line, but obviously once I've poured a few cocktails, I want to make some more. So I was just wondering what would happen if this is in use right now. Can I just go ahead and pour my other ingredients in here on top of that? How long is it going to take for it to like refreeze, reslush? And we're just going to figure that out together. So one thing to note is that I am using cold ingredients in here. I do feel like I'm giving my machine a fighting chance by doing that. So last time I put the ingredients in, the machine wasn't turned on. I didn't read anything about it having to be turned off, so I'm hoping this is okay, because obviously I don't want to damage this beautiful machine because it is now my favorite machine ever. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pour another bottle in here. And then, see, now my thing is that I'm above the max line, but I'm above the max line because I've had some slush in there already, right? I'm not above it with just the liquid, so I don't know if it's too much. I do have another ingredient I want to put in here, but I think I'm going to wait a couple of minutes just to see what this does, and then we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to time it to see. So right now it's 3:16. I'm interested to see how this all works, how it reslushes, and we're going to come back and I will report to you in a few minutes. So as you can see, it is beautifully frozen right here and ready to be poured. And it is 3:33 right here, so it took about 15-16 minutes. That was me pouring a whole bottle in here, plus some of my other ingredient, and we are perfectly slushed. So honestly, you make your first batch, you pour everybody a drink, and then you just go ahead and refill this. By the time they're finished their first drink, we are ready to pour a second drink. Honestly, my summers just brightened so much. I cannot wait to have a party.